Hey guys, Luke here from Rise Above. Here we have the Flyability Elios. So this is the only proven collision tolerant drone on the market. It's designed as an excellent tool to be able to get into confined and inaccessible spaces where it's quite dangerous to send a human in. So you can do a quick inspection without risking anybody's life at all. So some of the features of this one, it's got a full HD live feed back to the controller, along with a FLIR thermal camera. You've got some bright LEDs to light the area when you're in there, and the brightness of those is fully controllable. Flight times, you're going to get up to about 13 minutes on this one. As you can see, the drone is fully sort of able to articulate inside of this cage. That's why when it runs into a wall, it's just going to roll around. So similar to a lot of the other DJI drones on the market, this uses the Lightbridge 2 technology for image transmission and control. So that's going to give you a really stable link no matter where you're flying it. Both of your cameras on this one are on a one-axis gimbal. So if you're just hovering there, you can actually control what you're looking at. You can do a dual operator setup as well, so one person can concentrate on flying the craft and keeping it in control, while the other's in control of reviewing the footage and aiming it in the correct direction. So the controller for this one is very similar to a lot of other DJI crafts, so it's going to feel quite comfortable to use pretty much straight out of the box. So this is one of the only drones that's actually safe to fly around people, as it can bump into them and not cause any damage whatsoever. Some of the industries that this is being widely used in is the oil and gas industry, the mining industry, infrastructure, anywhere where they're trying to save time and protect people.